Hello and welcome. This is a sandwich called how to make peanut butter, black cherry jam, and banana sandwich. First thing you gotta do is you take 2 slices of Rito slice light caraway rye bread, and you put 2 slices on the plate. And you open the container of peanut butter and you spread the peanut butter onto the slices of rye bread. Then you get the black cherry jam and you put it onto one of each slice of the rye bread. And last but not least, you get the banana. And you cut up into slices. And you put them on the rye bread. And you put this on the other slice of the rye bread. And then put it on top. Sorry about the knife, by the way. Hope you forgive me for this, because I'm in control with the knife and I use it properly. And then this is going to be grilled, by the way. Okay, take it to the grill. You plug it in. Put it on the grill. And you turn it on. And you let it grill for a couple of moments. go check it. And it's not grilled yet. So we gotta wait for a couple of moments. Excuse me. Okay, and it's now ready. Now we turn it off and we unplug. And here is your grilled peanut butter, black cherry jam, and banana sandwich. Thank you for watching, folks, and enjoy the sandwich.